Thank you, baby. Alright. Ooh. Cajun in the bag. Anong tawag rin? Yung plato? Ayan. Yan ang pinakang rahon. All you can eat.
I'm gonna have mussels, snow crab, and a shrimp. I think it's 3 per order. 3 items. You wanna put your bags in? Crab, shrimp, and
Mag-aaponan tayo rito sa... Bago to, di ba? Bagong Keju, ang tawag rito?
yeah.
Cajun Bowl Restaurant sa San Mateo with Marindan and let's get ready to rumble. And yeah, malaki pwesto. Pwede mag-ballroom. Garlic noodles. First, unang order. Third, Andre's order. Huh? That's yours. Cajun and snow crab. Alright, there. Happy camper. Tahong hipon sa snow crab. Order ni Marilag. Yeah. Oyster. Deep fried oyster para sa akin. Alright. Oops, so natin. Mainit. Careful. Umpisa na kami ng duelo. Eat all you can seafood. Calamari. Lemon. Yeah. Yeah. You like that? See? Good job. All right. How are you doing, babe? Happy tummy? Good? Success? Yeah, you gotta get used to it. You need to practice.
What's your favorite?
Ano banta? Eh?
No. Dennis must be smaller.
May calamari.
Dahil yung buhok mo may ano na. Hindi kaya nagtali.
What do you want?
Happy to you.
Put this one? Now you need to learn how to eat the one. Yeah. Kaya mo yan, Beb.
Kaya ko talaga. Anong kalamsa?
Nananalo si Batanggay na. How are you doing, Antoinette? Good? Are you having fun? Ito po nagtatapos ang ating mukbang na naman. Hindi ako makakain maayos. Sa muling pagkikita. Paalam. Ano ba yan?
Food.
Yeah. Food wins, man. Mga kababayan, panalo po ang pagkain. Hindi kinaya. Marami po natin. Ayun. Kaya sa susunod, paghahandaan natin. Right, we need to prepare it.
Your panther.
Ito nga po pala maagang birthday celebration ng aking bata. Kuha ng Sabado, Linggo rito yung ulan. Kaya nagbabayar ng manager natin.
Credit card. Here is my credit card. Give it
Yeah.
to the lady. Hindi naman siya. Hindi siya na tira.
Ah?
Paano sabi niya pag... Oh, when you go to the Philippines, you're gonna join the beauty contest. Like your mom. You're gonna step on my stairs.
No, get away from me.
You gave it to the lady.
No,
You're gonna be a beauty queen too.
I don't want to.
Why?
I just don't.
I'm your manager.
But I'm a beauty queen in the Philippines. You need to be a beauty queen.
That's my daughter. Happy birthday, baby. Advance happy birthday.